it done?
Doing the windshield wipers on the ship box, remember?
Yeah, I won't forget that one.
Yeah, I bet you guys are wondering what this is. Well, today I went to go look at a turbo on a Saab parts car that we have. I thought it would fit my Volvo. So, you know what? I'm just gonna show you what happened. Too hard to explain. The line got tangled around the steering wheel. And the car, when we were going like this to clean the windshield, the car just took off left. I replaced the wiper arm because the old one we had a little problem with it.